What's up guys, I'm Sean. Welcome back to Fix My Home channel. Today I want to show you what's gonna happen if your chemical is not right in your jacuzzi. As you see, this boiler is connected to our jacuzzi and it start leaking. That boiler is only 7 months. So because recently we replaced that, it has the same problem. So the water is everywhere. We make our place flooded, and we're gonna go through why that happened and how to fix it so it doesn't happen anymore. Actually, we find out one of our maintenance so is keep washing the jacuzzi with the acid and never pump the acid out. You're not supposed to wash it with the acid, and because it was easier for him. So we're gonna go through all of this. Let's start it. Alright, as you see, we took the boiler to the shop to check it out. So we disconnect from the boiler ventilator and also from those pipe is going to the jacuzzi. So we bypass the system, we close that too, we open that one, and we open that one, so the water is not going to intelligent corridor and it's just going through that pipe, is coming down and is going to the over there, is going to the spa. So, and also the water from the skimmer and the main drain is coming to the pump and pump it. So we bypass the boiler, but the jacuzzi is working. As you see, here is the jacuzzi, so the water is still there, the pump working, everything, but the water is not hot. So I just want to show you the temperature. It was crazy. The temperature is showing 120, so there is no way it's 120. So this thermometer is also bad, so I have to change that one as well. So I'm gonna make another video to show you how to change that one too. If you don't mind, subscribe. So here we took it to the shop. As you see, it's all rusted. So the acid, because he washed it with the acid, it messed up everything. Acid was in the system for 2-3 days, and we keep adding the soda ash to raise it up, but it couldn't. We empty it. This happened 2-3 times, and if you see, it make it rusted everywhere. So make sure don't wash your jacuzzi with the acid. Thank you for watching. Make sure subscribe and have a great day.